How to plant yard-long green beans. Over their long history, yard-long beans being Unguiculata subsp. Sesquipedales have acquired many names, including Peru bean, asparagus bean and snake bean, but yard-long best describes their pods, which grow up to 36 inches long. These annual vines grow 9 to 12 feet tall, and as well as producing edible bean pods, they also offer large, violet-blue summer flowers. Early maturing varieties of yard-long beans produce bean pods 50 to 70 days after sowing. The pods of late varieties are ready for harvest 100 to 120 days after sowing. Growing spots. Yard-long beans produce the best pods in evenly moist soil and warm sunny spots sheltered from winds. These plants thrive in warm conditions, but the pods of yard-long beans growing in dry soil are fibrous and short. Grow yard-long beans next to a sturdy, 6-foot trellis, which will support the plants as they grow. Tip: if the garden soil is thin and dry, improve its moisture holding capacity by mixing in a 3 or 4 inch layer of aged manure or garden compost 6 inches deep into the soil with a garden fork. Sowing and transplanting. Warm soil temperatures give the best results when sowing or transplanting yard-long beans. Sow the beans 1 to 2 inches deep and 3 to 4 inches apart when the soil temperature is about 80 degrees Fahrenheit after the final average frost date in spring. Space bean rows 4 to 5 feet apart. Transplant yard-long bean seedlings at the same time, planting them at their original growing depths and spacing them 6 to 12 inches apart. Tip: when the bean seeds have sprouted and have their second set of leaves, remove the thinnest, weakest seedlings to leave plants spaced 6 to 12 inches apart. Watering yard-long beans. Regular watering helps yard-long beans grow well. Water the bean seeds or transplanted seedlings after planting, applying enough water to moisten the soil at least 6 inches deep. Warning: don't water yard-long beans so much that the ground becomes soggy. Water yard-long beans when the soil surface is dry, which may be every day in warm, windy weather. Training the vines. Yard-long beans are vigorous climbers, and they benefit from training to grow evenly spaced on a trellis. Training the plants allows sunlight to penetrate dense areas, encouraging healthy growth and high bean pod production. When yard-long beans grow away from the trellis or clump together in one area but leave other areas empty, move the stems to a better position and tie pieces of soft twine around their stems to attach them to the trellis.